All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Kakadash. Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashwan Kadash Lutan. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, once more, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson of this recent news article. As we've been seeing, the market's been up and down, due to the recent economic tariffs and economic trade wars between the nations. The United States and Canada. The economic trade wars, China and United States trade wars. So as you've been seeing, on and on, back and forth, especially for the past 2 months, the Trump administration uses, those economic tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China as well too. As Mexico, China, and Canada responded back to use economic tariffs on the United States as well too for importing and exporting goods as well too. Because you have the U.S. goods that's go to Canada, Mexico, and China as well too. So I just had to side note to that because the markets, they react with the they react with the situation with the economic forecast and report. And this is a news article from abcnews.go.com, and it reads: S&P 500 and Nasdaq close up, and Dow Jones down. Yeah.